Hello. It was not my intention to do another bad dating profiles video so soon. I'm scrolling, minding my business on Facebook, and I come across a whole post of terrible dating profiles. This is a blanket warning. A blanket warning. There will be several jump scares in this video. Just put on some goggles, be prepared, put down your coffee. That's your blanket trigger warning. We're starting off strong with Michael. This is the only pick of Michael, so we're just going to keep that there. But y'all need to know about Michael, who's 53. He says, I'm going to be totally honest. I've been incarcerated for 10 years and got released on March 2021. Since I've been out, I always keep a job. My problem is I can't find a woman. Since I've been out, I dealt with 2 females. The first one, I only gave her oral because that's what I love to do, but I couldn't get hard. So that relationship didn't last long. The second woman I met, all we did is oral because she said that my peen was too big and she hasn't had nookie in 8 years. No penetration in 13 years. He put this on his dating profile, guys. I told y'all I am starting out strong. Okay, now we got Marcus, who's 41. And there's no picture of him, just this shoe. But this thigh right here, this thigh looks like this is a fluffy man. But anyways, let's talk about Marcus. He says about me, I'm 1000% heterosexual, 6'1" dom manly man. I'm not looking for a wife or girlfriend today because that's not something, that's something you let happen naturally through time and communication. Video chat is a must. Assets don't grab my attention. Attitude and personality does. Women with daddy issues are more fun. Don't care about your independence, education, or career. It doesn't serve me any purpose. Congrats on being an adult. If you were so perfect, you wouldn't be single. Absolutely no cigarette smokers. Now, he says, if you were so perfect, you wouldn't be single. Yet, here he is on this dating app being so aggressive with these randomly capitalized words. And nobody is talking about being perfect, but I don't know what these people are on. But so this is Marcus, who's 41. This was no picture, but be ready for some of these pictures. I'm telling you this now. Please brace yourself. I told you to brace yourself. All right, y'all. This is Jack. This is Jack. He's 50. Oh God. He says, I'm looking for play partner. If you are lonely and single or your partner gives you no attention, you crave mind-blowing orgasms and want sweet angel kisses, but also love to be shoved up against a wall and manhandled, then I'm the bull for you. Whew. Man, that wall right in front of the toilet, that that chiseled body that he is showing us, man, y'all better get on that. That's Jack. He's 50. Okay, now we got Emry. Emry's 29. It says right there that he's Christian. So just keep that in mind. He's Christian. He says, cheating on me is easy, but trying to stop your car without brakes ain't. If your sit down air stank, then don't swipe on me. What does that mean? If your sit down air stank, then don't swipe on me. I need some of that hot tui. White toes. I like mine in her granny gown by 8 to 9 p.m. I'm convinced my soulmate got stuck in a condom. Ugh. Don't hit me up if you're pregnant. My love language is effing. Um, Not giving you $4 for no 4 for $4 from Wendy's. Why do all of y'all have 1,000 kids? Xbox for the win. And then he got this big cheesy smile saying, I hope everyone is having a great day because I am. This this profile is so terrible and mean. Yeah, but he is Christian, so just putting that out there. He has a smile. Yeah. Okay, you guys go ahead and weigh in on this. Okay, so Marvin, who's 46, doesn't have a picture, but he says a 21st century Renaissance leader, alpha, ALFA, alpha male, that's masculine and also enterprising about business. music producer, DJ, songwriter, audio studio engineer, web developer and consultant, computer programmer, mobile app developer, marketing strategist, and auto mechanic. That's a small portion of what I do. Message to learn more. It's like he just chose a bunch of things off of the drop down list. But he says a 21st century Renaissance leader, and he's an alpha male, y'all. He is a songwriter and DJ, and he can fix your car for you. So multifaceted. So that's Marvin. This is Rashad, who's 41. We don't have a picture of him either, but this profile is amazing. He says, gently used light skinned baby daddy that don't look like someone's fine ass daddy. If your conversation isn't giving relationship vibes, I ain't interested. It's a lot of females on here playing games. All right, let's play duck, duck, goose. I want a goose, and most of y'all ducks, and that's why I be ducking y'all ass. If we ain't meeting, I ain't speaking. I've been single for 3 years. Last thing I need or want is a pen pal. You can miss me with that. I'm trying to go out and turn up. Bam. He said duck, duck, goose. And this why he ducking y'all. It seemed like a lot of people been ducking him because he's been single for 3 years and he's still on this dating app. And nobody is picking up this gently used light-skinned baby daddy. Okay, so this is Michael, who's 48. I don't know if the person who made this screenshot put this clown face on there, but why this dude got this warrior uniform thing on here? Okay, but y'all got to hear this. I mostly find American women to be annoying. I'm intelligent, but who cares? I enjoy cooking and plan to have a restaurant. Most of my background is centered around IT and marketing and violence. I've been a student of martial arts since I was 9, bouncer at 22. I like taking physical jobs to have a break from computer work. Most of the women that I date have had violent past and hate their fathers. I also like chess. It's like he grabbed random sentences from things that he has written in the past and just put it together. he is into IT. He is into martial arts. He's been a bouncer and he likes chess. Michael, who's 48. Oh. He plans to have a restaurant. When is he going to do it? Because he's 48 now. This is Daddy. Daddy is 51. He says, down to earth, sharp tongued, aggressive, loving, affectionate, goal oriented man seeking traditional, loving, nurturing, submissive woman for friendship that leads to forever. If you wear makeup, it's a no-go. If you have multiple baby daddies, it's a no-go. If you are loud and ghetto, it's a no-go. If you are a feminazi, it's a no-go. I'm pretty laid back and know what I want, so don't waste my time or yours. I like women who step out there and make the first move. After that, I got this. Daddy, who's 51, and for some strange reason, he's still searching. And he is another person that just likes to type a bunch of words. It's like they copy and paste a bunch of words from a thesaurus. Okay, so this is Richie, who's 39. He says, if you got nothing but headshots, please skip me by. Mean what if I get and meet you in person and I don't like what I see from the neck down, then I done wasted my time. I want a lady to pair my suits with when we dress up. Richie Rich, single, 2 kids, educated, hardworking male, looking for somebody, enjoy life with. I don't like no drama or games. I love music, cooking, shopping, having fun, and enjoying life. Richie, 39. He does not love commas or periods. He does not like grammar or using the correct terms. So just putting that out. Finally, we get to Lance, who's 30. He says, I need a basic white wall woman in my life to be obsessed with me. I want to feel that spark again. It's been a while. Here's Lance, y'all. You're welcome. He says, my hidden talent is I speak fluent white woman. Basic is hot. Yoga pants, Ugg boots, Starbucks. Keep it basic. He says, a surprising thing about me, I have the body of a fighter, yet I eat and drink whatever I want. I was literally born with the 6-pack. The hottest thing you can do is bite your lips. OMG. Lance, 30, who is looking for a basic white wall woman. I hope that you guys have enjoyed these profiles today. They are terrible. There's no fixing them. All we can do is laugh. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.